Ninja Thirsti sparkle button turned orange? Here's what it means. If the sparkle button on your Ninja Thirsti has turned orange, don't worry. It just means your CO2 canister is running low. Here's how to handle it and get your fizz back. Step 1. What the orange light means. When the sparkle button turns orange, it's a warning. Your CO2 is almost gone. You'll usually get about 25 more 12-ounce drinks from that point, but the fizz will start getting weaker toward the end. Step 2. Replace the CO2 canister. Open the back door of the Thirsti and swing out the old canister. Twist it gently to the left to release, then slide in a fresh one, and twist to the right until it's hand-tight and won't turn anymore. If you need a new one, I've linked the exact Ninja-branded CO2 canister below. It's the only type that fits this machine and ensures proper carbonation. Step 3. Reset the orange light. After installing the new canister, press and hold the sparkle button for 3 seconds. It should change from orange back to white. That confirms the Thirsti has recognized the new CO2. Step 4. Run a test drink. Try dispensing a 12-ounce sparkling water with no flavor. If the carbonation hiss is strong and the sparkle button stays white, you're good to go. If the orange light stays on or you don't hear any CO2 hiss during the test, double-check the canister is fully twisted in and pressed into place. If the issue continues even after reseating the new canister and resetting the light, the unit may not be detecting it properly. Contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped you clear the orange light and get your fizz back, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you're out of gas, I've linked the CO2 canister I use below. It lasts up to 100 drinks and fits the Thirsti perfectly. Thanks for watching and keep it sparkling.